Visualizing the invisible, unraveling cancer mysteries with Midjourney AI. Welcome to our groundbreaking project, where we harness the power of Midjourney AI version 6 Alpha to visualize and understand cancer like never before. Our journey through the lens of AI brings us closer to the intricate details and complexities of cancer, offering a new perspective on diagnosis, symptoms, and treatment options. Today, we delve into two specific types of cancer: pancreatic cancer and retinablastoma, eye cancer affecting children. Our first series of images crafted by Midjourney AI brings the hidden world of pancreatic cancer into view. Here is a sample prompt to Midjourney AI Alpha version 6 in RAW format and stylize, set to 750. Generate highly detailed and accurate visual representations of pancreatic cancer, focusing on its unique cellular structure, progression stages, and impact on the pancreas. Include visual cues that highlight key characteristics such as tumor location, size, and the interaction with surrounding tissues. These highly detailed visuals represent the tumor within the pancreas, its impact on surrounding tissues, and the subtle signs that may indicate its presence. Pancreatic cancer, known for its late diagnosis and critical prognosis, now has a face, making it easier for us to grasp its severity and the urgent need for early detection. Symptoms of pancreatic cancer are often vague and can include abdominal pain, weight loss, jaundice, and new-onset diabetes. Traditional treatments range from surgery to remove the tumor, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy, each with its own set of challenges and outcomes. Retinablastoma visualization. Transitioning to a more hopeful note, our next set of images spotlights retinablastoma, a form of eye cancer predominantly affecting young children. Through the AI's detailed renderings, we see the tumor's origin in the retina, how it grows, and its potential effects on vision and eye structure. These visuals also highlight key signs for early detection, such as a white glow in the pupil and eye misalignment, crucial for parents and caregivers to recognize. Treatment for retinablastoma can be promising when caught early, with options including laser therapy, cryotherapy, and chemotherapy. Our visuals aim to educate and empower with knowledge, turning fear into action and hope. The promise of AOH 1996. As we explore these cancers through AI-generated imagery, it's important to mention a beacon of hope on the horizon, AOH 1996, This promising anti-cancer drug, currently in clinical trials with an estimated primary completion date of September 28, 2024, could revolutionize treatment for these and other cancers. While we wait for results, the detailed visuals created by Midjourney AI offer us a glimpse into the potential future where treatments like AOH 1996 change the cancer narrative. Conclusion: this project, powered by Midjourney AI version 6 Alpha, not only brings the unseen to light but also underscores the importance of innovation in both technology and medicine. As we continue to explore and visualize the complexities of cancer, we invite you to join us on this journey. Subscribe and like our content to support this type of work, allowing us to delve deeper into the mysteries of cancer with the help of cutting-edge AI technology. Together, we can turn visuals into understanding, fear into hope, and challenges into victories.